power. We're gonna put the shore power extension cord into our shed. It has 2 plugs for there. We're gonna run some to our equipment in there, but also to have a light inside. But this will make it a lot easier, so when we run the extension cord from the house, we can just quickly hook it in and then everything inside the shed works. I'm just test fit it and see.
I can see it has 2 leads. Yeah, 2-inch hole.
We're gonna put some adhesive on it.
Sealant, yeah. Adhesive and sealant.
Adhesive and sealant. I'll make it weather resistant.
Wow, those screws are cheap because they're very soft. The tips are failing.
Looks like it's all stripped.
I'm not going to use those screws.
Don't use the cheap screws that came with it. Now we're going to have to pull that out and put in better screws. Strip, screw coming out. Probably.
Uphill side. Okay, let's try this again.
I'm gonna hold it so it doesn't
No, I think
twist.
I should be able to hold it. I'm gonna not use that same. That's better. It's proper screws.
Wipe away the excess. So we have 2 ends in here now, and we're gonna hook. We bought this thing. Hook this up to one of them, and then we'll run the other one to a light and across over here so we can put it into the chop saw. We'll plug in most everything here on this bench, most of our tools right here, and then a chop saw over there. We might run the cord over to the ceiling, but we're thinking maybe we might run it down low just so we have some other plugs. So we might get one of those cords that have plugs along the way. If you find my videos useful or informative, entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.